All right, we got some extra savings book deals and some extra deals I might have missed this year, and some repeat deals. This is extra savings book came out yesterday, Saturday. Today is Sunday, October 23rd. This came out October 22nd through November 4th. So let me go through a few deals here. I got today some good deals from the extra savings book and just some other good deals in general. Some of them I did, early in the week, so please check that video out. I did it on Thursday. Today is Sunday. As I said, I'm trying to do this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away. Please hit the like button to build up my channel so I can get you these deals. So let me get right into, maybe like 12 or 13 good deals this week. Some are repeated, like the Dannon Light and Fit came back, so Publix digital coupon for absolutely free. So it's $1.50. $1.50 comes off, totally free. Very easy one. Famous Amos cookies. I did this deal before and as 50% off. Now there's also one for $1 back on each bag. So this one is regular price are $4.39. So for two of them, $8.78. However, as I mentioned, they're BOGO, so you get two of them for $4.39. And there is Ibotta rebate came back again, so you gotta love that it resets. You get $1 back. I think it's a limit of 5. I did just 2, and that was $2 to the good. So two $1 Ibotta rebates, and Fetch also has $1, 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $1. I think it's a limit of 3, so obviously I bought 2 to maximize it. Can't buy 3 because I'm in true BOGO. So that was a 1,000 point, 2,000 points. So that was another about $2 to the good. So we're looking at only 39 cents for both of those. Dr. Prager burgers, I got some more of those. These are BOGO at $4.79 at my store. And as I mentioned, I get this one was really good. The veggie burgers, they come in 4 in a pack. Manufacturer printable. I got a detailed breakdown and links to print all the coupons. So you got that there to print that off PDF. You can get as many as you want. So use 2 of those. Came to only 79 cents for both of them. So great deal on those. All right, Children's Advil. I did this deal too, but now there's an extra savings book coupon. So that came out yesterday, and it's valid on November 4th. Check your digital coupons, because they are $3 digital coupon. There's also a manufacturer printable coupon. I got the link to print that below. It takes $3 off. So $5.39 is the regular price, $3 off from the manufacturer printable coupon or the digital coupon, and $2 from the store coupon, making that only 39 cents. You can also get the children's Advil if you have children. It's $5.99, so it's a little more, but you use that $3 manufacturer coupon, whether it's a digital or a printable, and you use that $2 store coupon, making it only 99 cents for the children's Advil, only 39 cents for the infant Advil. St.Ives body wash. I did this deal before, again, $2.99 BOGO, so it was like $3.21. $1 off from the printable, $1 off from the printable, making that only $1.21 for both of them. All right, let me get into this new deal. This one is freaking awesome. This is a great deal, and it started yesterday. And I tried a different scent and it didn't work, but I tried this scent and it worked. There's also some that have like 50% free. It's like a huge canister, so I want to try that perhaps. Regardless, let me get right to it. These are $7.99 each, regular price. So for 2 of them with the tax, comes to $17.18. Now, from the save from last week, that's October 16th save. And I don't have the coupon here, but I have where it was from because I used all of mine so far. I've got this a couple times. It's a buy one get one free manufacturer coupon from the save October 16th. So use that. And then there are the store coupon for $2 off of each one. It does say 13.5 ounces, so these are the 13.5. That big bonus size, I don't know, they might say, you got to use it on the 13.5. But anyways, $2 off, so I use 2 of those. And then there is a spend 15, get $5 off. So it is a Publix digital coupon, and it's advertised here in this one. It does say when you spend 15 on hair care, and one of them is the Love Beauty and Planet 13.5 ounce. And as you can see, it came off as a DC money off basket offer, $5 off. So I made it a great deal. I mean, perfect. They're $7.99 each. So before tax, it obviously has to be before tax. So that comes to $15.98. Can't really do much better than that. So with that said, 17. I always include the tax. You know, I got to keep it real here on my coupon boast here. 17.18 for both of these when you factor the tax. 7.5% here. And as I mentioned, you get that buy one get one free coupon, so that took $7.99 off. You've got the $5 off digital that come off, that basket come off. Then you have $2 off store coupons, making those two guys only 20 cents for those. So gosh, 17.18 to 20 cents. That is probably the best deal, or my favorite one on the table. All right, keep it rolling. So we got the Arm & Hammer Baby. Now, if you can find this peely, I'd recommend buying these because it makes it a really good deal. So $7.19. Okay, it should be $6.99, I think, but $7.19 for these. Everything going up. $7.19 for two of them with the tax, $15.46, but they're BOGO, and that comes to $7.73. Use two of these peelies if you can find them. That takes $2 off, and then Ibotta has $1.25 or $1.50 off. Mine took $1.50 off each one. That was $3 to the good, making that only $2.23 for those. Tena pads deal. Oh man, I'm gonna go through it again. So $5.99 for 6 of them comes to $38.64. And once again, it's back this week. We got the $5 off of 2 store coupon. So use 3 of those. That takes 15 off. There's a manufacturer printable coupon. I don't have it on the table. That takes $2 off. So if you are able to print 6 of them, then that'll take 12 off. And there is also an Activate Rewards. If you spend over 30, get $10 off. So $38.64 for these guys total, and you're only looking at $1.64 you'll pay for all 6 of them. So great deal there. All right, Tate's cookies. I've done this deal many times, and in the extra savings book, it is on sale for $1. The regular $1.25, they're on sale for $1. Now, the Ibotta has a $1 rebate for Tate's cookies, and it takes it off. Yeah, I think it may be for the bigger size, but it takes it off this size anyways. It'll say line all, you know, your receipt edge, all in green. Make sure that's lined up perfectly, and it automatically takes stuff off. So it recognizes that and takes $1 off for that guy, making it totally free. My tip, as always, if you follow my channel, you'll know I have all my Publix digital coupons clipped. I have all my Ibotta rebates clipped because things come off like that. So that is completely free. Keep going. Let's see. Chips Ahoy. Now, you got to get the Hershey kind. And there's probably like 1 or 2 other kinds as well. The Hershey kind, and there's one other kind. They're $3.83 is the regular price. So for 2 of them would be $7.66. But they're BOGO this week, so you get both of them for $3.83. And there is a Ibotta rebate for $1 off of each one. That gives you $2 to the good. And then you submit to Stocking Spree, I believe, and that'll give you about another $1.50 back. I haven't gotten that back, but I believe that gives you about $1.50 back, making those only 33 cents for both of those. If that Ibotta, or if that Stocking Spree is right. So I haven't gotten that back yet. All right, keep it going. Let's see. Always check that clearance rack, of course. Got to do my clearance deal. Preparation H sprays. These are regularly like $6.99. So for 2 of them would be $13.98. BOGO. I mean, sorry, not BOGO. They're clearance. So when they're clearance, they usually half them. And just like they half them, $3.49 each for these guys. And so just $3.49 each. So for 2 of them, no tax on them, which I like that. That comes to $6.98. There is, from this week's save, that would be October 23rd. That's where it was, a $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupons. So use that. And then, submit it to coupons.com site and get $4 off. So I got a big haul here, so that's all I'm gonna say. But that'll take $4 off there, and making that $1.02 overage. I know probably might not be able to find that. Of course, I'll do another clearance deal here too. These were only $7.99. There's a manufacturer printable for $8. Always look around, I mean, why not grab these for free? So that was good. Last deal, where is it? Natalie's juices. They got a bunch of different juices. I like the pineapple, kale, and zinc. So regular price for these guys are $2.59. When you factor the tax, it comes to $2.78. However, they're on sale. They're $1 off, which is very good. So maybe bogo's better, but $1 off for these guys, making them about $1.70. And there's a manufacturer printable. I don't have it on the table here. It takes $1 off, so that makes it only 70 cents for that guy. So once again, some extra savings deals from this new book right there. Goes to November 4th. Now, obviously, the deals won't be all valid to November 4th because coupons will expire, so on and so forth. But, quicker you get this information, and hopefully you can do some of these deals. So once again, please subscribe. Funny looking guy right there. Check out my last video on Thursday of some of those deals, because you can do a lot of those deals as well this week. So everybody enjoy their couponing once again.